Hello, my name is Jared Ludlow, Publications Director at the BYU Religious Studies Center, your weekly resource for gospel scholarship. And today we'll be talking about some resources that can accompany your Come Follow Me study for the week of March 14th through 20th, Genesis 42 through 50. The first piece is actually by President Russell M. Nelson, coming from a Passbury presentation called Remnants Gathered, Covenants Fulfilled. In this piece, he highlights 5 links between modern Israel and ancient Israel, and speaking more in spiritual terms. And the first link is particularly relevant to this week's reading, the link of Joseph, looking at some connections and parallels between Joseph of Egypt and particularly Joseph Smith. The second article is called Egypt in the Bible by Dr. Kerry Milstein, a professor of ancient scripture here at BYU. And this was published in one of our issues of The Religious Educator. Dr. Milstein answers questions about connections between Egypt and the Bible. He talks about the geography, the history of Egypt, biblical figures who spent time down in Egypt, some of the symbolism and culture of Egypt and its influence on the Israelites and in biblical stories. The third one is called So from the Beginning by John Tanner, a former academic vice president here at BYU. And it's just a short note, and it comes from a book of compiled notes that he had called Notes from an Amateur, A Disciple's Life in the Academy. And on this particular note, he reflects upon the Joseph story and sees how the hand of providence can turn seeming disasters into blessings, such as what happened with Joseph and the Israelites.